So I want to show you what I'm working on today. I'm working on installing these limit switches. So here's the idea. It holds those limit switches in both directions, and we have wire goes on like that. I don't know if that's in focus. Anyways, they go on both sides, and you can see I cut a notch. There's a screw that goes up through, and then I have a block, I'm sorry, on that side. So the wires can come out and then they'll go into the E-track. So what that means is we'll have to put little, I'm thinking, stop signs, little metal stop signs that we would attach to the I-beam, so they would give it something to sense, and that would be the hard stop. So that's it.